triangle. So he's saying here is an object. This is the object. So I will write here as a object. Let it be P and Q. Now, this is the ground. He has put a mirror here on the ground. This is the perpendicular which is drawn on the mirror. Let the point be C and let the point be N. This is C and N.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Now, this is the object which is placed here. This is the object. Let the object be A and B. This is a person. So, this is the mirror. Mirror is at the point C. These are the lines of sight. So this is mirror. So what is my question? He's saying in the above figure, a person is of height 160 centimeter. The mirror is placed at the point C, which is at a distance of 600 centimeter from the object. And at a distance of 200 centimeter from the person, this is 200 centimeter. Cn is perpendicular to the mirror. Based on the above information, answer the following. Now you have to answer the following. Number A. To find the height of the object, which mathematical concept should be used? I want to find out PQ. To find out the value of PQ, which mathematical concept should be used? Number one, Pythagoras theorem. Number two, similar triangle. Number three, congruent triangle. Number four, PPT. So Dilpreet, you will give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
You have to find out PQ. Which concept should be used to find out the value of PQ? First option is Pythagoras theorem. Second is similar triangle. Third is congruency. And fourth is BPT.
So Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. Perfect. Bilkul theek. This is the correct answer. Because we will use the help of Pythagoras theorem. That means the square of the longer side is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides to get the things. So Pythagoras theorem is the correct answer. The second is angle ACB equal to angle PCQ. ACB, this angle is equal to PCQ, this angle. These two angles are equal. Now, why these two angles are equal, you have to give the reason. First is angle I equal to angle R, angle of incidence, angle of reflection are equal, corresponding. Alternate interior, right angle. So, Pavanveer, you will give me the answer. Next one is of Janvi Sadev. Are you there, Pavanveer? Because these answers of these questions will be counted in your internal assessment. Fine. I will repeat twice. If the candidate will not be there, the question will be passed on to the next. Pavanveer, what is the answer? Next turn is of Janvi Sadev. Be ready. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Number 2, are these two corresponding angle? Number 3, are these alternate angles? Number 4, right angle. So Pavanveer is saying angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Bilkul thi, because this is
Sir,
our
actually,
incidence angle. This is our reflective angle, because this is the mirror, no? Line of sight, this is line of sight. So if I is equal to angle R, this complete angle is of 90. So that means कि 90 minus I must be is equal to 90 minus R. So concept किसका लगा? Angle of incidence or angle of reflection का. So that means कि this is the correct answer. Now come to C part. C answer. Angle ABC is equal to angle PQC. This is my PQC. This is my ABC. These two angles are equal. Why? Number 1, interior angle. Number 2, corresponding. Number 3, alternate angles. Number 4, right angle. The answer will be given by Janvi Behal. Are you there, Janvi Behal?
yes, sir. Sir,
What?
right angle.
Right angle. Perfect. Why? Because object and person both are at the angle of 90 degree on the ground. They are standing straight. When they are standing straight, that means they are making angle of 90 degree with the ground. Now, D part. Which relationship is true? Which? Kunark Jetli, this question is for you. And after that, the turn will be of Pratham. Which relation is true for triangle
Excuse me, sir.
ABC and triangle PQC? Which relation is true for triangle ABC and triangle PQC? The first relation is given AB upon QC, which is equal to BC upon PQ. Second relation, AB upon PQ, BC upon QC. Third relation, AB upon PC, PQ upon BC. Fourth relation, BC upon PC, QC upon AC. Kunark Jetli first. After that, Janvi Sadev.
Excuse me, sir.
Anji. Who is
Sir, the B,
speaking?
Sir Dilpreet. Sir, the option B answer, sir, I gave that was not Pavan.
Sorry.
So the answer for B part was given by me, not by Pavan.
The answer which is given by you was not
Given by Pavan.
okay. Who has given that answer? You?
Yes, sir. B
Oh,
part. Sir,
great,
B
great.
option.
Okay, okay, okay. Perfect, perfect. I will know. I will know. Don't worry. Now, Kunark is not there. I feel neither he is saying yes or no. Then next one is of Janvi Sadev. Which relation is true for these two triangles? One triangle is ABC, second triangle is PQC.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Make the two triangles similar.
Sir, it will be second option.
AB over PQ is equal to BC over QC. Perfect. बिल्कुल ठीक. Because these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQC. When these two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides should be same. So AB side, AB, this is the height, PQ is the height, which is equal to BC is the base of one triangle and QC is the base of second triangle. So perfect. You're right, Janvi. Very good. Come to E part. This answer will be given by Har Amrit. Har Amrit, are you there? Very good. Because surely you will get the credit you are giving the answers in your assessment. The height of the object in the above figure, the figure which we have drawn above, the height of the object. That means you have to find out the value of PQ. You have to find out the length of PQ. The first option is 160 over 3 centimeter. Second is 750 centimeter. Third is 480 centimeter. And then it is 775 centimeter. Har Amrit, after Har Amrit, the turn is of Harshita. If Har Amrit will not give the answer, then the question will be taken by Harshita. Question will be taken by Harshita after Har Amrit.
Okay, sir.
Sir, A part 160.
So 160 over 3. Har Amrit is saying 160 over 3. Let's see. Let me calculate. See, when the two triangles are similar, the ratio of the sides, that means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QC. Substitute the value of AB 160 over PQ is equal to BC is 200, QC is 600. This is 1 by 3. So cross multiply. PQ is equal to 160 is to 3. PQ is equal to 480 centimeter. Oof. So Har Amrit, your option is wrong. So this is the correct option. Solution I have done. Quickly note it down, then we'll move to the next case study based on this chapter. Because I feel that you will get the case study from the chapter triangle. Anybody who is still noting, can I clear the screen? If you are noting, please let me know. Anybody who is still noting.
Noted, sir.
Okay. तो नोट तो नहीं कर रहा. Anybody who is still noting? Now, case study 4. So here He has given me only the figure. Suppose this figure is given. He's saying, let it be A, and he's saying A square plus B square is equal to C square. The first question, based on this, it will be taken by Lavandeep Singh. Pythagoras theorem is true in number one, isosceles triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle, acute angle. Yes.
Sir, option C, right angle.
Option C, right angle. Perfect. बिल्कुल ठीक. Because in Pythagoras theorem, we start with in a right angle. Okay. Now, the B question will be taken by Pavanveer. A man goes 5 meter due east. So this is my geographical map. This is north, south, east, and west. So he's saying a man goes 5 meter due east. East की तरफ एक आदमी गया 15 meter. This is the starting point और यहाँ तक वो 15 गया. And then 8 meter due north. तो north ऊपर को है तो I'm going to move like this. 8 meter he has gone to north. How far is from starting point? You have to find out the distance of that man from C. I want to find out AC. Only. This is towards north. This is, sorry, this is towards east. This is towards north. We have to find out the distance from starting to C, AC. Pavanveer, are you getting me? Pavanveer, are you there? So she is
Sir,
not.
actually, she is having some mic issues. In last class also, she was writing in the chat message.
Okay, fine. ठीक. When we write down the answer in chat, no issue. So she's saying 17 meters. Let's see. Now I want to get AC. So AC square, Pythagoras theorem, this is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is 225 plus 64. So this is 9, 8, yes, AC square. So AC is equal to 70. Perfect, bilkul, because the square root of 289 is 70. C part. Two poles of height 9 and 14 centimeter. There is a one pole of height 9, there is a one pole of height 14. Are standing 12 meter apart. The distance between the tops. I want to find out this BC. This BC I want to get. So Janvi Behal. After that, Pratham will tell me if Janvi Behal will not be able to solve this question. Then Pratham will tell me. I want to get BC. AB and CD are the two poles. Poles. Quickly.
So the distance between two of them is 17 meter or 12 meter. So what you have written?
12. 1, 2.
Okay.
AD is equal to 12 meters.
Excuse me, sir.
Anji,
Sir, do we have to construct a line on
you can.
the line?
You can. Quickly, काफी time लग रहा है. So, Pratham is saying 13. Let's see. Now see, AB is 9 and BC is 14. So if I will draw a line here like this. So if this is 9, this is 14. So this will be CE. This is 14 minus 9. That is 5. Now, this is 12. So this ground will also be 12. I want to find out BC. So in triangle BEC, BC square is equal to BE square plus EC square. So 12 square plus 5 square. So this is 155, 444, 25. So 169, which implies BC is equal to 13. So therefore, distance of their tops So any doubt to any student in this question in D part? No. E part, which of the following lengths form a right angle triangle? First is 5, 8, 10. Second is 10, 24, 26. Third is 12, 14, 16. 12, 14, 20. 4, 6, 9. Which of the length form a right angle triangle? So what is the method to do it? You have to try for each option. Select the longest side. Suppose in the option number 1, the longest side is 10. So the square of the longest side must be equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. If it is, then it is a Pythagoras. In the same way, here the longest side is 24. So square of the longest side is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Here the longest side is 20. So here again you will apply. Here the longest side is 9. So check and tell me the answer. Quickly, I will see.
The second option.
Second option, one boy is saying 11B by P. He's saying second
The
option.
second option.
Okay, let me see. 24 square, this is 576. So the square of 10, this is 100.
The second option.
That square of 26, which is equal to 26 is to 26, that is 7. Bilkul,
So 676.
because Sum of these two is equal to the third one, which implies 676 is equal to 676. So that means this is the correct option. Right? Come to the next case study from this chapter. So going to clear it. If you people have noted.
It's
Now, come to the next case study. Fifth case study 5. From this chapter. Now, he's saying Raman is 6 feet tall. So this is Raman, which is 6 feet tall. I'm going to take it as a AB. This is 6. And is standing outside next to younger sister. So suppose this is the younger sister. Manya. He noticed that he can see both of their shadows and decide to measure each shadow. तो इसकी जो shadow है, this is the shadow of the Raman and this is the shadow of the Manya. His shadow is 8 feet long and his sister's shadow is 5 feet long. So this is 8 feet, this is 5 feet. So this is shadow. This is shadow. So based on the information, we have to give the answer. Number 1, I feel the instructions are clear. There are 2 persons, one is Raman and one is Manya. The height of Raman is 6 feet and Manya's height is not given, but the shadow of the Manya is given 5 and the shadow of the Raman is given 8.
Yes.
Okay. To find the height of the Raman sister with the given information, which mathematical concept is used? Number 1, Pythagoras theorem. Number 2, trigonometric ratio. Number 3, similar triangle. Number 4, congruent triangle. quickly. Anyone?
So may I?
Anyone can speak now. This is open
So
for
trigonometric ratio.
trigonometric ratio you are saying. Okay. Anybody else want to add or subtract something? I want to find out the height of Manya's sister. I can't use trigonometric ratios because the angle is not given to me. No angle is given to me. Fine. So I can directly go to Pythagoras theorem. Fine. So the only
Okay, sir.
thing is Pythagoras. Clear. So this is the correct answer. Now B. The symbolic form of similarity of triangle ABC and triangle PQR is number one. In what way you will write that the two triangles are similar? One is ABC is similar to triangle QPR. Second is triangle ACB similar to triangle PQR. C is triangle BCA is similar to triangle PQR. D is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR.
So D equal D.
Yes, this is D, because if I will go with A, I have to go with P. If I will write B, I will go with Q. If I will write C, I will write R. See, देखिए यहाँ पे पहले A आया, B आया, C आया. Now, proportion to A, the angle is P. Proportion to B, the angle is Q. Proportion to C, the angle is R. तो B के साथ Q आ गया, C के साथ R आ गया. तो D is the correct one. Now, next question. C वाला. The criteria used for similarity of triangle. Now, I want to do triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Which criteria should be used? The first is AA. Second is AAS. Third is SAS. Fourth is SSS.
Sir, SAS. Side angle side.
Side angle side, you are saying that this criteria should be used. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Angle, right?
Angle, you are saying. Okay. See, third is the correct answer. Why? One side is given 8/5. See, 8/5 must be is equal to 6/PQ. From here, you will find out the value of PQ. What should be PQ? PQ is equal to 6:5/8. PQ is equal to 15/4. So this is 15/4. Now see, 6 has a ratio with 15/4. This is S. 8 has a ratio with 5. This is S. In between angle is 90 and this angle is 90. So what it should be? SAS. There are two sides and between angle. There are two sides and between angle. So that means SAS is the net criteria which makes the two triangles similar. Next is find the height of Manya. So that I have already calculated. 15/4 is the height of Manya. So which implies 15/4 is equal to PQ, which is height of Manya. So these things you have to take care. Fine. Because the ratio of these two sides are given. The length of one side is given. You can find out the length of this side and then you can proceed. Fine. So tomorrow I will go with the trigonometry, revision of the topic trigonometry, do the case studies and discuss the difficulties with me. I have uploaded 5 case studies from chapter real number and polynomial on the portal. So do these. Fine. Thank you.